Hey everybody, it's Scott. That's Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Uber Technologies? This is ticker UBER. Now, Uber is a stock I've actually been stalking, not in a creepy way, but just watching the stock to see if it can finally get above a pretty clear resistance level from back here in July. You can see in July, we pulled up to that 97.65 level. Then we retraced all the way back to the 50-day moving average and underneath, got back above, and now we're back to the scene of the crime. So I want to see if Uber can break above and close above 97.65. And I think that could actually be a pretty good buy trigger on a swing trade, and watch to see if that momentum can follow through and we can see Uber make some new highs and live above the $100 level. So that's just one of many things we're looking for tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful. I'll see you next time.